Did you know how plants can control which genes are active or silent? Today I show you how genes regulation work using DNA stones. For example, this yarn represents DNA and this ball pen represents a stone protein. Inside plant cell, DNA wraps around the stones to fit inside the nucleus. With the DNA is wrapped very tightly like this, the gene become difficult to read. This process connected to methylation which helps turn genes off. Because the DNA is packed tightly, the cell cannot easily access the instruction. When the DNA becomes loosely wrapped, the gene can now read and used by the cell. This allows the plant to respond to stress, temperature change, or environmental signals. In agriculture, this helps plants survive stressful conditions like cold weather or drought. Plants can remember environmental change by controlling how tightly DNA is packed, and that's how stone regulate genes in plants.